Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram video not playing on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram video not playing, you should just go here to settings as you see and we will click. After that, in this page here as you see we will go to apps, and then here in this page you will go down to Instagram. After that, here in this page you will click in force stop, and when you will click here you will go to storage like this and you will click, and then here in this page as you see we will go to click here clear cache, and then we will click clear data like this, and then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.